Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Ford EcoSport Trend, stock reference number 4106. The shape runs from the 12th month 2013 through to the 9th month 2017. It has a UEJD 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. UEJD 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle, as you can see, has been hit in the front end. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear non-park sensor type bumper bar. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Hard spare wheel cover in good condition. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, the power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with a black cloth interior. It's got a grey centre console, automatic gear shifter, heater control, single stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.